Today in math, we're going to be doing lots of mental math. Mental math, remember, is all in your mind. But we're going to do it in kind of a fun way, okay? I say it's going to be fun because we're going to be using larger numbers, right? 21 is a pretty big number. It has numbers in the tens place and numbers in the ones place. But the number that we're adding is only going to have a number in the ones place. Thank you, Sasha. So let's take a look at the first one. What I want us to do if we're doing mental math is hold our hand over the tens place. So if I cover up the number in the tens place, what would that addition sentence say? Tony? It would say 1 plus 4. Tap your nose if you agree with her. So 1 plus 4 is a simple mental math problem. What is 1 plus 4, Jelani? 5. So now I know that in the ones place, the answer would be what, Irene? 5. So I put that number in the ones place, and what is the number in the tens place? Look at both. This one has a number in the tens place, but this one doesn't. But do you know what would be the number in the tens place? 2. So simple, I was able to find 21 plus 4 is 25. I didn't have to solve it the super smart second grader way. I solved it in my mind. Tap your mind if you can do the next problem. All right, look at the next problem. 73 plus 3. Raise your hand if you can solve it. You all tapped your head. Jasmine, what is it?
It's 76.
76. Tell me how you got that.
Because if you cover up the 7, then 3 plus 3 equals 6. When the tens place with 3 by itself, so you just add a 7. Because 0 plus 7 equals 7.
Dust your shoulder off. Amazing. I didn't have to write it the super smart second grader way, and look how many friends agree with you. Holy moly, me oh my. All right, the next one, 35 plus 4. So we're looking at the mental math number, 3 plus 5. 39. Great job. 5 plus 4 is 9, and there's a 3 in the tens place. 54 plus 3.
57.
Oh my goodness. If you're agreeing with your friends, show them. Make them feel like you are agreeing. The next one, 96 plus 3. Isaiah.
99.
99. Excellent pronunciation. 99. How did you get 99?
I actually don't even cover it. I just actually look at it, and I just automatically know it because I know the complements of 10, and then like 6 plus 4 is 10, so this minus 1, it's 9.
Excellent job. Dust your shoulder off. Which brings me actually to my next page. The plus 10, then minus the extra number strategy. Now I put this in like bright, cool, awesome colors because this is one of the best strategies for mental math known to man. Are you ready? Oh my goodness. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay. Now, I'm looking at this and I know 8 plus 7, I'm going to have to do what? I'm going to have to regroup. When I have to regroup, I use this strategy. I think 28 plus 7. I think 28 plus 10 equals what? That's simple, right? 8 plus 0 is?
8.
2 plus 1 is? 3, right? That was my mental math. I didn't have to write it the super smart second grader way. Then I take the number that is the sum, right? The sum, and I put it here. So what goes here, Sierra? So I take 38 and then I take away 3. Do it in your mind. 38 take away 3?
35.
35. So, wait a second. Why did I take 3 away? What was the 3? I have a cherry diagram or a number bond over here to help you. Sahada, why did I take 3?
Took 3 away because the sum of this number was 3. The sum of this number was 38. Instead of taking 38 here, which would be 0, because 38 minus 38 equals 38, equals 0.
Right.
You took away the 8, bring it over, took away the 8, and then the last number you have is 3.
I think I'm following you, but that's not why, and I'm trying to see if somebody else could tell me. Have a seat, thank you. So, look here, this is the number I had to solve. 28 plus 7. And I said, think 28 plus 10, right, because you could do that in your mind, and then take 3 away. Why did I say specifically take 3 away? Justin?
Because the 7 and the 3 are a complement of 10.
Wait. The 7 and the 3 are a complement of 10. So I had 10, but I really started with 7. So I had to take the extra away. So I plus 10, then I took the extra away. The extra is the complement of 10. So for this problem, the complement of 10 was 3, right? 7, 3, and 10. Thumbs up if you understand that. Awesome. So, 28 plus 7 equals how much? Jelani? 35, right? I thought 28 plus 10, because that was easy in my mind, and then I took 3 away, which was 35. That gave me my answer. The next problem, or the next strategy, is a strategy when you don't have to regroup in the ones. Okay? When I don't have to regroup in the ones, I just look at the ones place. So if I have 223, 223 plus 5, I'm only adding in what place value? Samara. Yeah, only in the ones place. So you think just 3 plus 5, right? Just 3 plus 5. Maya, what's 3 plus 5?
3 plus 5 is 7.
Try doing it carefully in your mind. Start with the bigger number and add 3 more. 8. So 3 plus 5 is 8. And then I take 220, right, because I took 3 plus 5, I crossed that out. I did 3 plus 5, then I did 220 plus what? Summer. 220 plus what? I did 3 plus 5, and that gave me 8. Then I do 220 plus 8. So my answer, 223 plus 5 equals what? 7. Not 8. It's this one. 223 plus 5. Do the whole thing together now. Remember, 220 plus 8. What is that? You got this. 220 plus 8. So you're adding just the ones place. So think of expanded form. Where would this number go? In the ones place, so tell me the answer. want some help? Irene?
The answer would be 228.
I see a lot of friends agreeing with you. I want you to try page 3 on your own. Page 3 in your workbook has problems similar to this, and then it's going to go into problems like this, where you will have to fill in a cherry diagram, and then you'll have to think 10 plus 10 and take the complement of 3 away, take the extra away. I'm going to ask a few friends to meet me on the rug, friends who might need my help. Friends who think they can do it on their own and know that they know how to do it, put 2 fingers on your brain like this so I don't call you. All right. Can I have Sahara, Taylor, Sierra, Summer, Sasha? Can you meet me with your workbook and a pencil on the round rug? Everyone else,